Hello friends, let's test our skills with was and were. Fill in the blanks with was और were. पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि was और were कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं और कैसे यूज करते हैं। was हमेशा हम सिंगुलर में यूज करते हैं। सिंगुलर मतलब वन पर्सन और वन थिंग, और वर हमेशा हम प्लूरल में यूज करते हैं, like so many peoples or so many things. So let's start practice. The mangoes dash rotten. Mangoes, it means there are so many mangoes. Answer is were. The mangoes were rotten. He dash leaving for Japan. He is a single person, so he dash leaving for Japan. Answer is he was leaving for Japan. She dash hurt in the match. She is a single person, so answer is was. She was hurt in the match. There dash once a little girl. A little girl, single person, so we will use was. The answer is there was once a little girl. It dash going to be winter soon. Single thing. It dash going to be winter soon. Was. Answer is it was going to be winter soon. Gepetto dash making a puppet. Gepetto is a single person, so we will use was. Gepetto was making a puppet. The jackal dash very scared. The jackal is a single person, so we will use was. The jackal was very scared. The fishes dash swimming in the sea. Fishes, there are so many fishes, so answer is were. The fishes were swimming in the sea. Roma and Ali, there are two persons. Roma and Ali dash the intelligent. So answer is were. Roma and Ali were the intelligent. Mother dash baking a cake. Mother is a single person, so answer is mother was baking a cake.